Hi there, my name is Simon, and in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can buy cryptocurrency on KuCoin. We're going to take a look at the different payment methods for different currencies, and we're also going to take a look at the different fees that will apply for different payment methods. If you don't already have a KuCoin account, I'm going to leave a tutorial down below in the description that will show you step by step how to set up your account from complete scratch. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Alright, so let's now look at how we can buy cryptocurrency on KuCoin using our fiat currency, which is US dollars, euros, British pounds, and so on. Like I've already mentioned, KuCoin is a crypto-only platform, which means that you can't really deposit your fiat currency onto this account and then trade US dollars, for example, against Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency on their exchange. You have to purchase cryptocurrency using some kind of payment method through their system, and then the cryptocurrency will be deposited onto your account. Personally, I don't buy cryptocurrency on KuCoin because the options and the fees are just not really favorable. I have better options on other exchanges, but I still want to show you how you could do it. So on the top left here, you can see the buy crypto option, and you can see basically three different ways. Now, in my opinion, the only really usable way is the credit card, debit card option, which also includes, for some countries, Apple Pay and SEPA payments. And then you also have the P2P network, which means that people can offer their cryptocurrency for a specific price that they're willing to sell for. And then if you would want to buy from them, you would have to pay them directly using PayPal or some kind of other payment gateway. Now, in my opinion, this is also not really usable because when we go to P2P, then we can see there is a market, but there's very little people actually using this. So when we go to buy and maybe, for example, go to BTC, to Bitcoin, we see there's only 3 people offering Bitcoin and at a very low volume, very little amount for a too high price. So when we go to CoinMarketCap, where we see the average price here, it's 56.3 thousand on most exchanges, and they're offering it for 58,000. And the same thing with selling. So if people are willing to buy Bitcoin for a too low price, so I wouldn't use the P2P network. I don't think it's really usable because nobody's really using it. And then you have also the fast buy, which is also not usable for me. I tried to use this, but it somehow doesn't work for me. Maybe it does work for you. They say 1 click to trade, 0 fees. This was definitely not the case for me. I wasn't even able to use some kind of payment method. So the only thing that is left here is the credit and debit card option. So we're gonna click here, and then we can decide on what kind of currency you want to use to buy cryptocurrency. Now, a cool thing with KuCoin is that you can use a lot of different currencies to buy cryptocurrency. So you're probably going to have to pay more fees than in other exchanges, but maybe you are not able to buy cryptocurrency using US dollars or euros. So you're going to have to use KuCoin's credit debit card option to use your specific currency. So let's say we would want to use US dollars, and we would want to buy using 1,000 US dollars, and we would want to buy Bitcoin. So you could choose your cryptocurrency here that you want to buy. Now there are these 3 options. Depending on your country, maybe they are not all 3, but in Europe there's also the SEPA option. Now this is the cheapest way that you could go ahead and buy cryptocurrency. So let's click on SEPA, for example. Then we can see that with the third-party provider Simplex, we could get 0.01742271 BTC for spending 1,000 US dollars. So let's go to USD BTC and see how much that actually is in US dollars. So let's copy this here, paste this right here. So here we would have to, we would get Bitcoin worth $983. So this is a lot better when we compare it with this payment method, which is simply credit card. This way we would get only 0.01689, which would be $953 US worth of cryptocurrency. So if you can, I would use the SEPA option, which is available for most countries in Europe. And this way you're going to save the most amount of fees compared to the other options, which is a credit card and Apple Pay here. But for most currencies here, the only available option is probably going to be Visa, MasterCard. So there you just have to type in the amount that you want to spend and also decide on what kind of currency you want to buy. So let's say we want to buy Litecoin using TCS. I don't really know what currency this is, but they only have credit card available, and they also only have one payment channel. So I'm not going to walk you through how to actually do this, because for each payment channel it's going to look very differently. And you also have to do a identity verification for, I think, pretty much all of these payment channels. And I don't want to do that just for this tutorial. So, but if you have, if you want to do this, then you have to go down, click on confirm, actually type in the amount you want to spend, click on confirm, and then they will walk you through the entire process of creating an account with the payment channel, verifying your identity, and then eventually carrying out the payment using your credit card information. And then once the payment has gone through, the cryptocurrency will be deposited into your KuCoin account. And then you can go to assets right here on the top right. And here you're gonna find them probably in the main account right here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, I'd really appreciate if you'd click that thumbs up button down below. Also, if you have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Also, if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.